Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset search suggestions on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then you can tap at this search icon, and now you can reset suggestions in two different ways. The first way is hit right here at this search bar, and that shows you recent searches over here. And then if you want to clear this search history, you can just right there hit at see all and then tap at clear all. I have just cleared my search history, and now I can move on to the next step. Let's say I want to tune these videos and photos that Instagram suggests me. So let's say I don't like some of them and I want to remove that types of content from my suggestions, and all you have to do in that situation is just open up some content, and let's say it can be photo or video or whatever. And if it's photo, you can hit right here at three dots icon and hit at not interested. Then you can select don't suggest post with certain words, or this post made me uncomfortable, or you can just hit at done. And in the same way, you can hide any content that you don't want to see more at your suggestions. It can be photo and video. Just if it's reels, you can hit right here at three dots and then hit at not interested. That allows you to tune your search suggestions, so that will say Instagram algorithms not to show you specific content. Also, if you want to see more specific content, you can, while you're seeing that type of content, hit add like, and also you can add this content to the bookmarks. Just hit right here and then hit on save. That will say Instagram algorithm to show you more of that specific type of content. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.